One of the many challenges facing employers as they begin to repopulate their offices is the need to maintain a safe physical distance between employees. Using generative design in Revit, let's consider this basic problem. How might you configure an open office environment with physical distancing in mind? Your goal is to ensure that your employees maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from each other. As for constraints, you need to accommodate 32 employees at standing desks. Glass panels may be attached to those desks to enable back-to-back placement, and ideally, you would like to be able to use the 2 operable partitions installed in the open office. With these inputs, you will consider several approaches using generative design. First, the Workspace layout study is used to group the desks, and glass panels are installed to protect employees. You find a result in which desks are grouped together to fit 40 employees, positioned at an angle in the space. But the angled layout might not be ideal, and one of the partitions is obstructed. A second approach uses the grid object placement study to arrange desks along the length of the office. Here, you find that groups of 4 desks with glass panels work well for up to 56 employees. But you're concerned that this layout makes the office feel uncomfortable, with half of the employees facing away from the windows. And as before, one of those partitions is obstructed. For the next approach, you configure the same study to place the desks such that they are perpendicular to the windows. This layout accommodates 33 employees in groups of 3, and both operable partitions are functional. Now you're getting somewhere. However, you'd still like to see more spacing between desks before removing those glass panels. You try one more approach, this time using the stepped grid object placement study to arrange the desks with the same orientation as before. You find an optimal solution for 32 employees in groups of 2. The layout ensures maximum spacing between employees, and both operable partitions are functional. You've done it. Without manually moving a single desk, you've discovered the optimal open office layout to safely accommodate your employees using generative design in Revit.